Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. So let's do some technical analysis and the price prediction for ENJ, guys, Enjin Coin. And of course, if you like the content, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell button and share the video. Also join our Telegram group chat, link is in the description down below. And of course, you can join our monthly subscription to get easy profits, automated signal buying opportunities, personal guidance, educational videos, and many more. Link is also in the description down below. You can cancel anytime you like. So have a fantastic day wherever you are. And of course, right now, we are going to see some very important things. First of all, why did we have the sell pressure here? Why did we have on the 4-hour frame on TradingView the sell pressure? How could we identify, right? The reason is very simple, guys. You can draw your Fibonacci retracement from the previous swing high to the next swing low, right? To the also to the swing low right here we formed after this swing hybrid, this top at 1.54 USDT down to 76 cents. And the reason we found huge sell pressure is because we went to the 0.618 golden ratio Fibonacci retracement level, 1.24. And if you want to find support levels, major support levels to decide if you want to reinvest, you can do the opposite, right? You can delete this and you can draw your Fibonacci retracement from the bottom 76 cents down to this swing high at 1.2324, around there, right? And you can see that we have the 1.06 as a major support level. Of course, we have the 1.011 USDT and the 95 cents. And eventually, guys, as we might move downwards for a bit, you want just to buy more and more. The deeper we go, the more you want to buy, right? So therefore, guys, I will redraw now the Fibonacci retracement from the top to the bottom to see exactly how are we going and where is our next price target. Our next price target, guys, is actually around 1.36 to 1.40 in case we make the 0.618, the 1.24 as a support level, right? But we need to see if we will actually just consolidate a little bit more for ENJ. And we have the MACD here. On the MACD, what we wanted to see actually is maybe going above this resistance line. And we found now a resistance level right here, guys. And now we might have a bearish cross. But if we keep going above this resistance line right here, it will be very good. But unfortunately, guys, we went down from this support level. You can see here our low was pretty much lower than the previous one. On the 4-hour frame on the MACD, you know what we want. We want to perform higher lows and higher highs. We are not satisfied if we just have a bullish cross right here, right? And a bearish cross. Because on the 4-hour frame, we definitely want to make higher lows and higher highs. Let's go to Enjin Coin right now. And you can see on the 4-hour frame, where are we? We are forming higher low pattern right here on the 4-hour frame. You can see that we are not in an overbought or any oversold situation on the RSI. However, we would love to keep having this pattern and even go upwards. Same here for the commodity channel index, guys, to have a pattern like this and then go upwards again. The commodity channel index and the RSI is looking not bad right now, neither good. And of course, the stochastic RSI, we don't have any oversold situation according to the stochastic RSI. So we are in an indecisive moment here where we want to see eventually if we keep going upwards from here, or we will stop around there and then go downwards for now. Let's go to the daily frame, guys, to see that when we approach the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands, this indicator right here, we are having a buying opportunity in a normal market, and it means that we are going upwards, right? And therefore, that's what we did. When we approach the top line of the Bollinger Bands, we are going downwards. It isn't the same, guys, when we are having an impulsive wave, like here, for example, on Enjin Coin, right? And you can see that the top here was at 4 USDT, guys, for Enjin, and now we are almost at 1.15. It is ridiculous, but this is the truth, guys. And of course, for the long term, I believe this is a great buying opportunity. Let's see the MACD. The MACD on the daily frame, we have some bounces in between the blue line and the signal line. Bearish cross right here, bullish cross now. we need further distance between the lines to say that we are very good on the daily frame. However, it is good that we saw a bullish cross again. Now we want to keep having this bullish cross and let the blue line go above the signal line. Let's see the commodity channel index. On the commodity channel index, what we are having right now is going between minus 100 and 100. We are staying between in this gray zone right here, so we don't have any oversold or any overbought situation. However, we don't want to see another drop down from here. It will be very bad. We want to see a pattern going on and going into an overbought situation. Same here for the RSI as well. We are not having yet a high pattern. You can see the RSI is declining all the day. And of course, we want to see whether we can have a high pattern and go above the 70 in the daily frame. This will be very good, of course, for ENJ. And let's see now the SSL hybrid and close, of course, the Bollinger Bands, remove the drawings. We had the buying opportunity right here. So eventually, guys, the SSL hybrid had a good advice right there to buy. And now we want to see when we will have a short to short our position, and we want to see now if we have a very high risk on the 4-hour frame. That is for the daily frame though. Let's go to ENJ Bitcoin chart. You can see now that we started to outperform Bitcoin. That's why we went upwards so much for ENJ. But now the ENJ Bitcoin chart, guys, has a very high risk. We are above the 70 for the RSI and above the 100 for the commodity channel index. Therefore, guys, you should be very careful. The MACD looks good. Actually, we surpassed this resistance level right here, but you should be careful from now on for the ENJ Bitcoin chart, right? Because if we correct against Bitcoin, then we will depend even more on Bitcoin, right? So therefore, guys, please be careful for now. A 20-day MA crosses the 50-day MA and goes above. This is a good bullish signal. However, guys, you should be careful for now, as I've explained before, because of the RSI and the commodity channel index. Now we are not in an oversold situation, but you can see in an overbought actual situation. We are now at 67, but you can see that we were in an overbought situation. What we might be saved from is that if we do a pattern like this and retest the 70 and go above the 70, but you should be very careful. Let's go now to ENJ Bitcoin in the daily frame. We are going into an overbought situation according to the stochastic RSI. On the commodity channel index, we are still between minus 100 and 100, so we have more room to grow. Same here for the RSI. The 50-day MA, guys, is above the 20-day MA, so we don't have a bullish cross yet. After, guys, this bullish cross that happened before on many months ago, now we had a bearish cross. You can see here a bearish cross between the 20-day MA and the 50-day MA, and now we still haven't seen a bullish cross yet. When this cross happens, guys, in the daily frame, it is usually a sign of a very bearish sign, right? So let's go now to ENJ USDT in the 4-hour frame. You can see now that I have drawn my Fibonacci retracement from the bottom to the top. I will draw another one as I did before, guys, on the Fibonacci retracement from the top to the bottom right here. And there we are. We found a resistance at the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. Once we make this as support level, our next price target, guys, is the 1.35, around there, 1.36, 1.38. So you can have a very nice swing trade right there. But of course, right now we should mainly focus on the support levels. For example, here on the 0.382, for example, guys, right there on the 1 USDT, as we keep going a little bit lower. But we are holding good, guys. For now, we are holding good. Even if Bitcoin corrects and goes down, ENJ, guys, doesn't go down so much. This is because of the ENJ Bitcoin chart on the 4-hour frame. But as I've told you before, guys, we might have a more of a correction right here. So that's why you should be careful for now for ENJ and wait for a bit to observe the market. Next support levels are the 1.061 USDT, of course, around there, 1.1 or 1. And of course, we have one more at the 95 cents. And what you want to do is to have a great buying strategy, guys. Of course, you can make profits. Learning a technical analysis, you can make profits. You can hold your future in your hands and trust yourself, guys. Always trust yourself. And now you can see that we have these as support levels. What is a good buying strategy is as to go down, further down from here, you want to invest a small proportion right there, and next in the next level a bigger proportion, and of course some more money to invest in right there. You want to invest 20% of what you would invest here. For example, it is a random number, guys, 10 to 20%, of course, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and as we are going downwards, you want to invest some more. In this way, you won't be in a loss, because eventually, guys, we will start be going up, right? And the reason we might depend now a lot on Bitcoin is because of the ENJ Bitcoin chart, guys, and we are want to see now eventually where is the next support level for Bitcoin, because right now we went down, we crossed down the 33,600, and now we might go to 32,700. If we go down from here, things are looking wrong, very bearish. But of course, guys, on the short term, we have the commodity channel index being below minus 100, right? And therefore this is very good. In a normal market, we expect to go upwards again. Stochastic RSI now is in an oversold situation, as well as the commodity channel index. The only indicator that is not in an oversold situation is the RSI. It is more stable, but you can see we are forming higher low pattern for Bitcoin. Therefore, guys, we depend a lot now on Bitcoin. It's better to observe as we keep getting down, invest some money. Next price target 1.36, 1.37. After we make the 1.24 as support level, you always know that I want to be honest with you guys, and I want to be on point, not talking about generic things. Thank you so much. Hit the like button, subscribe to support the channel, and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.